Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you are doing well. Okay, today I'm going to give you some review about the exercise 5B. After this video, I'll take the test. Okay, I'll send you the test picture in the group, and you'll do it and send it to me on my personal number with your name. Okay, time will be given into the group through the message. Okay, right now, just take a look back of this exercise. Okay, in this exercise we are going to convert some measurements. Okay, this unit is all about the measurements. Its also name is measurements. Okay, in this exercise we are converting the gram into the milligram. As you can see, there is a first blank. Okay, when we are converting the gram into the milligram, we are multiplying with the number with thousand. Just like look at the first blank, that is 750 gram. When you have to convert into the milligram, you will multiply simply with 750 only with 1000. You'll get the answer, though you no need to do all the long multiplications. Okay, you only just put the three zeros with it. Just like this is the number is 750. When you are multiplying it with 1000, you will put these three zeros with it over here. Just this is the answer. Okay, now when we are talking about such questions in which there is a kilogram and there is a gram as well, and we have to convert into the gram. Now what we'll do, okay, take look small look on it. Okay, I have done on my book very roughly. Okay, and we have also done these blanks into the class, and these all blanks are solved on your book. Whenever you open your book, you can see that all the solution. Okay, but again I'm giving you some important points over here. So this is the number 569. You'll write 569. Okay, when we want to convert the kilogram into the gram, so we'll multiply with 1000 as well. Kilo का मतलब क्या होता है 1000. ठीक है, so you write over here 1000. ठीक है, you'll multiply 569 with you're multiplying over here 569 with 1000. ठीक है, when you are multiplying this with 1000, you'll get three zeros with it. Okay, and there is also number 555. You will add this into this the previous one number. Okay, when you are adding it in this number, you will get simply this one number. Okay, now I have given you exercise 5B, question number 4, question number 7, and the question number 10 as well. So what about the question number 4? How you can solve it? Express this into the gram. Look at this one solution I have done for you on the copy. Okay, take a look. Exercise 5B, these are the important points. Okay, these are the important points. If you want to write these points on your book, you can write. Okay, if you want to understand it, you can understand from the video. Okay, look at this one. When you want to convert any kilogram number, take any quantity, any value into the gram, you have to just multiply with 1000. Okay, just three zeros with that number, you will put it. Clear? When you are converting the gram into the kilogram, you will divide with 1000. And the third most important point is when you're converting the gram into the milligram, you are multiplying with again 1000. ये kilogram है and that is milligram. Make sure you are um, differentiating with them. ठीक है, don't confuse them. ठीक है, now that is the question number 4. The A part was 375 kilogram. You have to convert the kilogram, you have to convert the kilogram into the gram. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll multiply simply 375 into 1000. As I told you, kilogram को gram में change करते हैं, we are multiplying with 1000. So here when we are multiplying 375 into the grams, so we'll multiplying with 1000. Just three zeros are coming over here and you'll write down gram. Do not forget to mention the last unit. ठीक है, लास्ट यूनिट को मेंशन करना important है, because that but in which number you are converting. ठीक है, so you must convert it. Look at the question number 7. A part 14 kilogram, 750 gram into the gram. 14 kilogram, kilogram mean you have to multiply with 1000 again over here, and you are adding this gram into the gram value. Why I put it, write it gram over here? Because I'm converting the kilogram into the gram. That is why I put the bracket. First I multiply it, whatever the answer it will be, I will write down over here gram. And this जो value is 750, it is already in gram, so I don't need to write the gram over here. If I'm writing, that will be good for me. Okay, now I got the answer 14,000 gram, and the next value is 750. I'll write over here again. Now look at this one, how we got the answer. I have done the addition for you. 14,750. Okay, when we are adding 0 plus 0, 0 plus 5, 5 we got the answer. 0 plus 7 we got the answer 7. 4 over here, 1 over here, I got this one answer, and I write down over here gram. Why? Because I have to convert into the gram. That is why answer should be in gram. Okay, so uh I have given you the test of question number 4, question number 7, and this one blanks. Okay, look at this one blanks. A sack of wheat, it is already always in gram. Okay, why it is heavy now? That is why it is in kilogram. A curtain mean a heavy one we are talking about. Curtain of 50 apple, it will be always in kilogram. A bar of soap, it is a smaller one, so it will be in gram. A big bunch of grapes, it can be in gram, it can be kilogram. Why? When we are buying the a lot of grapes, it will be in kilogram. When we are buying the smaller quantity or smaller number of grapes, it will be in gram. Okay, so these blanks and that question number 4 or 5 I describe you. Now open up your pages, write the date and day on top. I'm sending you the test. Good luck everybody. Allah Hafiz.